Happy New Year, foodie fam and spookies and everybody in between. Welcome to Mukbangs and Hangs. I'm your girl, Andy Crimson. This is the weekly eating show where we talk about anything and everything. How are you guys doing? How was your start to the new year? I want to talk about mine, and I want to start this mukbang, this series of mukbangs with a restaurant that came to the area a while ago, but I've been waiting for, the lines to go down. Guess what it is? Dave's Hot Chicken. I'm excited. There was a little bit of a line, but hopefully it was worth it. So I'm gonna do the review like this. Okay, guys, check this out. I was a little unsure online because it says a tender slider. I wasn't sure how big it was, but it seems to be pretty decently sized. Look at this. It's got pickles, coleslaw. It also came, it's drizzled with some kind of sauce. I ordered mild, so we'll see how that goes. I think this is the Dave sauce. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there. I also ordered the mac and cheese because I wanted to test it out, because y'all know I'm in love with Cookshack's mac and cheese and their chicken sandwiches. So I want to see if this really does, stack up, or how it stacks up, I should say. I'm going to get into the first bite of this. I also found some ranch laying around for my fries. If you guys have had this before, let me know what y'all think. It's about to go down. Okay, here we go. The first bite of my first ever Dave's Hot Chicken mild slider. Here we go. Try another one. Well, my first impression, it's got a lot of crunch. And right now I can tell you, like, to the touch, the bread was kind of cool. But then when I bit into the crunchy part, it was like immediately the temperature rose. So far, not too spicy. It is a little bit chunky, but maybe it's a little bit too crispy for me. I don't know if that's like something that's a must-have for some of you, but it's good, but doesn't feel like Cookshack, at least not yet. I'm busting out this mac and cheese. It's a little bit more yellow than Cookshack. It looks a little bit drier. So we'll see right now. It's okay. Definitely not the best that I've had, but definitely not the worst. Well, we'll see how that goes. Oh, I've also got some mineral water. Let's try out this Dave sauce. It's a little bit sweeter than a cane sauce. It has the coloring of the cane sauce, just like Dip and Burger did. But it's okay. It doesn't stand out in any type of way. It's a little bit sweet. They did not skip on the pickles, guys. They put like at least 4 or 5. Pretty decently sized. The coleslaw is not creamy. It's more of a crunchy flavor, or crunchy texture, I should say. I don't know. I think I still prefer Cookshack. these fries with some ranch. So guys, what did you all do to ring in the new year? Did you go out? Did you party? Did you barbecue? Mine was pretty chill. And I brought it in pretty calmly and pretty naturally. Just doing some karaoke. And maybe had like a drink or two and just chilled really. It was pretty nice. Nothing too crazy. I did try to film another cover video. And you know, this whole thing, all the time, it's been a learning process. Especially trying to work with like a green screen. Like there's like do's and don'ts and you're learning this along the way. Didn't exactly come to fruition yet, but maybe later it will. This mac and cheese reminds me of Chick-fil-A's mac and cheese. I want to say Chick-fil-A's is above it right now. It's not a bad filet, but it's just missing something. I'm not sure what it is. I don't taste the mildness, the mild sauce, if that was the little drizzle that I had seen earlier. I still haven't seen Avatar yet. Just waiting and waiting for the right time to go. Now, if I could compare it to Cookshack, I don't know if it's like the seasoning that's lacking here, why it doesn't feel like Cookshack. I'm not too fond of this particular coleslaw. It's just too crunchy. It doesn't have enough sauce, you know what I mean? I know some people like online have been saying it's like the best, like the Dave's Hot Chicken is like the best chicken sandwiches, that they really enjoyed it, they're addicted to it. But they are a little cheaper than Cookshack, but I think that the flavor and the satisfaction of eating Cookshack food is worth the price. So, are any of you like setting New Year's resolutions or have like something you want to work on this year? I know it's kind of like, well, not pointless, but I haven't really had any personal ones, you know, these last few years. But I really want to be intentional this year, like just my mindset, my goals, and just have a positive attitude overall. Not that I wasn't positive last year, but it was kind of being like a lazy positive. I feel like I'm in a place right now where I just want to like try new things and just branch off and just try, because I don't want to say that I didn't try. And just overall have like a relaxed attitude about things, you know? Things are not that serious. Don't have to be super stressed out. I don't know, guys. I don't think this is worth the hype, or it does not conducive or does not compute with all the hype people have been like giving it. I mean, it's a good sandwich, but it's not like amazing. I think the big winners today, or anything that stands out, are the pickles. Well, sometimes these chicken places don't give you enough or they're too small, but these were really good. They also had the option to add cheese onto the sandwich. I personally don't think it would have made that much of a difference. Even these fries are kind of like meh. Like Five Guys has better fries. Now that we've established that it's not going to be Cookshack level for me, but it's not Burger King dollar chicken sandwich. That was just atrociously gross. I would consider like Chick-fil-A to be like the median midway sandwich, maybe a step above it. This patty is for sure thicker than Chick-fil-A. It has more crunch, like I said. I don't know if that's something that y'all would really be gunning for. I don't know. I don't know what we would rate this yet. You know, sometimes I kind of psych myself out when I see like new businesses being built. Most of the time there is Starbucks. I have no idea why we need so many Starbucks places. I would prefer something like new that's not in the valley, or it's just something that's not in the usual area. Like maybe a Panda Express on this side of town. I would love a Cheesecake Factory. Like, oh my God, Cheesecake Factory is so delicious. Why hasn't that happened yet? Instead, we get more coffee places and more Starbucks. You know, I actually think Chick-fil-A might be more satisfying to me right now than this one. I don't know, maybe it was just like so commercialized, or like it's trying too hard. I don't know. Now, I don't know what kind of level mild would be, but the spice level was kind of down there, which fair, it is mild, but you know, sometimes different places have different standards for how hot their food is going to be. Whew. Last bite, guys. Let's see if we can do this. So, where to land this on the scale? Oh, man. Lucky number 3. Yeah, 3 burps in a row, not the reading. I don't know, guys. Like I said, it wasn't bad. Just it's not near the standard I had hoped. I think we're gonna go with like a 6.5. Definitely not a Cookshack chicken sandwich. It was all right. Like I said, I feel like it was trying too hard. Like it wasn't the right consistency for the coleslaw. Bread was a little bit cold to the touch, but then the chicken was like piping hot once you bite down. I don't know. Yeah, it wasn't like amazing. If you really want to try it, just keep in mind during the peak hours there's still a line if you're in the area. It has not come down, but the service wasn't bad and it was pretty like decent amount of wait time. But yeah, and the fries were like average. I've had better. But I tried it after waiting so long. Finally tried this place. You know, not every place is gonna be my favorite, as I've had many favorite things. And I don't know, it just depends, right? But that is the mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I was asking yesterday, what should my new cover song be? So if you got any other ideas, drop them down below. All my links are in the description if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'm also a Dead Man affiliate for some of the clothes that I model, so check that out. You can get a discount at the checkout. There's another one stuck in there. But I hope you guys had a fantastic start to the year, and if not, I hope it looks up for you. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing rest of the week, rest of the day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!